Hello everyone, my name is Robyn Miller. I'm an instructor here at Bowling Green State University. And I know this is a difficult time for everyone, but if we band together, I know we can get through this. So what I was going to show you was I instruct yoga on a consistent basis. Yoga can help with the stress during the environment of the COVID-19. So I wanted to show you some nice stretches and some deep breathing techniques that can help you just relax and kind of decompress, especially at night if you're having trouble sleeping, which I'm sure a lot of you are. So first of all, I just want you to roll your neck side to side. Just kind of feel that relaxation, that stretch through the neck. Just kind of closing the eyes and just relaxing the body. Now ideally, if you can lay down, maybe in bed or on the couch, place your hands over your belly button. And we want to inhale through the nose, let the belly rise. Exhale out the mouth, let the belly drop. This is called diaphragmatic breathing, and it's very effective when you can just focus on the belly rising and falling with the breath. This helps the body relax, and it helps you be able to sleep and kind of get into a state of just relaxation. So again, you want to inhale through the nose, let the belly rise, exhale out the mouth, let the belly drop. Now do that one more time. Inhale through the nose, let the belly rise, exhale out the mouth, let the belly drop. So I hope you can use this technique to relax and kind of get through this difficult time. And remember, together we will be fine. We will get through this. Have a good evening. Goodbye.